Oh, heck yeah. This episode is episode 6. I've been recording 3 straight battles in a row. But first, Rock Leon, if he wants to go up to the new series, he has to defeat the customized Beyblades. Inferno Striker, Storm, Urso, Burn Sagittario, Storm Leon, Hyper Urso, Hyper Pegasus, Evil Leon, and Ray Phoenix, the final one. The evolution of the new Phoenix. Ray Phoenix is actually the new evolution of Burn Phoenix. Okay, so yeah, it's new. We got it. So yeah, he'll be defeating. Let's see if we can finish this whole thing in one day. The first battle is Storm Leon. Storm Leon has won. Seems to be really hard for Rock Leon. What will he do? Another battle? 10. Yes. Go. Will I be able to finish this whole video in less than 10 minutes? Storm Leon has a really... Oh! Storm Leon has won again. It's really good. Do it again? Yes. Can't believe it.
And dying. Okay, just hold it steady for me.
Nothing. I just want to show you something in the kitchen.
I will keep going until I finish him off.
New MP3 player.
Oh my gosh. It's too hard to beat. Rock Leon, special move! Tornado Buster! If Rock Leon beats this, he will be level 32.
Oh, I know exactly how it feels.
Why are you sweating so much? I'm the one who should be nervous. Wait a minute, dogs don't sweat.
Will Rock Leon be able to defeat Storm Leon? I guess not. Anyways, I don't care. Rock Leon will win eventually. It's been 4 minutes, so what the heck? So now Rock Leon is level 32. I don't really care, okay? I don't care if Rock Leon has lost. But yeah, okay. Next battle. Inferno Striker. Level 34, Brock Leone.
Hey, look. Dad took me back. He says to make a hit movie, tell the story that's in your heart. Then hire Johnny Depp. Hey, Mr. Kipling is the star of this video. He gets stop bidding.
Next is Storm Orso,
The camera to the left.
and he easily wins. Level 36,
We'll have to give Dad a shout out when we accept our Webby Award. Wait, if Mr. Kipling is also going to be the cameraman,
Eagle Leone.
double. Sense we're paying commission? Deal.
Bertram, this freezer-burned key lime pie is a slice of expired apple. Served by a husky angel.
This is the longest meal of my life.
Oh, Bertram, you frisky rascal.
It's not me.
Hi there. Sorry about that. No sudden moves. He can smell fear.
That smell's been going off me all night.
Bertram, I'm going to faint. Catch me. He's licking my face.
Better him than me.
If you were a tiara, where would you be? On the head. Not helping. Oh, not now, Zeus.
This might be a tie.
Knock it off.
Brock Leone, level 38. One more battle, it'll be level 40.
Uh-oh. Let me just check on Zeus.
Hey, Mr.
Level 40.
Stand up for me.
Oh no, what's happening? Brock Leone is disappearing.
He slammed the door on my
He's
fingers.
disappearing.
The highlight of my day.
Another man in my life. Give Uncle Bertie a kiss.
I don't kiss on the first date.
We'll see about that.
That video of Kipling licking Chesterfield was hilarious. Completely out of focus. Kipling really blew it.
So yeah guys, I can't do it.
Not J.J.
Too much time. So please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and this is the end of episode 6.